Let's have a look at what the student sees when they go into the assignment and see a document attached. So here I am, I'm logged in as Daisy student, and I'm in my course, the Tea Party, and actually in the topic of the course. And let's click on the assignment. And once it's loaded, you can see here the Teacup Invite PDF has been attached by the instructor. And if I click on it, we can view it and see what the students see. The option we're going to select is Open with Adobe Acrobat. You can save the file, but we're going to open it and have a look. Once I click OK, the document will load on my screen. There it is in the new window, and the student can view it and save the document as they need to. So this document can be a template like this example, or it could be a cover page or anything you'd like to add to the assignment to support them or get them to provide as part of their submission. Let's close this document, and now we're back on the student page, and that's the student's view of documents.